So basically, the bad guys have only increased in terms of their threats, right? So they're using things like AI and other technologies to find sophisticated ways to defraud consumers and defraud corporations. So the threats are getting increasingly sophisticated and going kind of faster and faster in terms of their innovation. Many consumers are super worried about this and really concerned that, in fact, there's all of these social engineering attacks and things like that that are affecting them, and they're worried about losing their money and other items. I work with many of the leading banks here in Asia and fintech companies, hospitality companies, and so forth, who are interested in making sure that they protect their brands and they protect their consumers from these types of attacks. So what these companies are doing, and I would suggest all others do, is using platforms like Appdome, a Gen AI driven application defense platform. We're the leading provider of mobile application defense globally to mitigate these threats, to make sure that they're catching them and then protecting the consumers against any threats that might occur. This is super important. The brands want to make sure that their consumers can use their applications, that the application works really well. So they have to make sure that they're using a product or a service like Appdome, our Gen AI platform, which really not only detects and protects the consumer, but provides the world's best user experience at the exact same time. So you want to use technology that allows you as a developer to be able to customize that user experience and really fine tune it for your consumers. I think we're going to continue to see more and more attacks, really targeting the Asian financial market in particular because of the kind of stellar nature of this market, right? And so I think what we're going to see is just continual innovation using AI by the bad guys. And so what we have to do, what our brands have to do, is they have to keep up. And there really is no way to keep up by yourself, right? Because the bad guys are using AI to continue to innovate. So what the brands need to do, what the big banks and the finance companies need to use, is use a company like Appdome, a Gen AI-driven platform that not only keeps up, but stays ahead of the bad guys, because this is what we do.